Assembly. After removing the unit from the box, carefully remove all packing material and remove the Quick Start Guide. This guide is a handy reference, and it is recommended that you maintain accessible copies for all users. Next, remove the battery compartment cover. Inside, you'll notice 4 battery cables. 1 to 4 batteries can be connected, depending on how you manage charging and battery changes in the field. Next, take the small power cable and plug the black 2-prong connector to either one of the 2 power receptacles at the back of the battery box. Then plug the silver connector with the red dot up into the receptacle on the back of the battery power adapter. Replace the cover securely back onto the battery compartment. Next, raise the handle assembly to the upright position. Secure the handle system with the metal fasteners on each side of the handle assembly. Check that the 9-pin encoder cable is securely connected to the 9-pin connection at the back of the antenna. Your Easy Locator features adjustable wheel heights to allow for operation on varying types of terrain. Your unit may have arrived with the wheels in the lowest position. Adjust the wheels to the desired position by pulling on the pin assembly located at the midpoint of the antenna and simultaneously lowering the height adjustment lever. Plug the PowerCom cable with the red dot up into the receptacle on the monitor, and the other end to the receptacle at the front of the battery power adapter.